guys, welcome back to my channel. If you like videos about luxury, lifestyle, traveling and so on, please subscribe to this channel. Mind that. So let's get into our luxury stuff. So as I said, we went to the Bangkok as a family holiday with my in-laws, and we had a great time and a great shopping because it was mid-year sale and everybody going crazy. The malls are like just full of people. And for bags, and she bought around 4 to 5 bags from there. That much sale was going on, and just everyone just buying things and buying things non-stop like crazy. And I went crazy as well. Yes, but I bought few, I can say few. Okay. And my CA, client assistant, she was just great. She was showing me so many things. I bought few pictures here and there, guys. Shopping at Louis Vuitton, so lovely. Very small. Happy, I was so happy, and she was shown all the things, and we ordered these things earlier, and she showed me all the new things, and it was so beautiful, so gorgeous. And I want to buy everything in the shop, but definitely I can't. Anyway, let's get started, shall we? First, Louis Vuitton box. Thankfully, Louis Vuitton boxes are foldable, guys. You can fold it, so it's easy for traveling. You can fold it flat. I'm gonna show you that later. Okay, so let's unbox this one first. So this is the first item I got, and there it is. Yeah, saying hi. Okay, let's put the box aside, or just give it in my lap so I can show you the bag. Here is the thing, and this is the everyone we know, and here the item. I'll tell you guys the code. I wish you know by the code. M42265. M42265. That's the item code. Did you guys know that? I think some of you who have this item or even looking for this item will know. Ah, this is the back of it. Okay, let me show you first. Here is the code, and it's already written there, niece baby. Okay, so beautiful. I put here Hermes twirly. Before I put this twirly in my Chanel Coco, but I thought it would be great for this one, so I just put it here. And this is my niece baby. I bought it to put my makeup in it while traveling, definitely, and it's just so pretty. And the client CA, client assistant, she told me, do you want a strap? You can use it as a bag. And I was like, no, because with this, I feel like the strap, it just pulls this part, and in the long run I feel it will tear here this, like, see what that what's happening actually. It pull it and it will tear this part. That's, I mean, like, that's my personal opinion, but who use it like that, like a bag, it's great for you. And this is the inside of the bag. It's wipeable. It's like leather. It's wipeable. You can wipe it if your makeup spill in it, but it will be nice to put organizer. Let me take out the bubbles. These are important. Okay, to restore. And it has a zipper here. Let me show you guys. And it will go all the way down, like up to here. Then, and here the booklet. For it. And here niece baby. I hope you can see that clearly. And here, coated fabric, cowhide leather trim, man-made lining. Okay, all these papers and things come in Louis Vuitton bags, and it's with the gold hardware. Definitely, I just love this, like dusty pink, I don't know what we call this, like beigey dusty pink, this one. And this, hey, it's already dirty. Can you guys see that? I used it in Bangkok. After I got it, I put my makeup all here. I need to have that. And here, one packet here. This one, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. This piece is made in Italy. Actually, I like the pieces made in Italy because I feel that like well made more than the one made in France. And here, 2 packets. Yes, so this is the first item I've got, and I'm so happy. Yes, so let's move on, guys. I'm gonna keep this aside. I'm so happy with it, and I'm gonna show you guys. Before I move on, I want to show you guys this. These are foldable straps, foldable boxes. So you see this blue threads, you just pull them, and it just pull it and pull the other side, and it just goes flat like this. Just go flat like this, guys, and put it in your luggage flat, like you can easily put it in your luggage like this. So that's what I did with most while traveling. That's what I do. But Chanel boxes are not foldable, so girl. Okay, let's move on to the next item up. So I'm gonna just, you already know how the box look like. Okay, about this item, guys, this item over here, I was should I get it, should I not, over an ear, should I get it, should I not. Everyone tell it it's amazing classic Louis Vuitton piece. I think you guys know what it is when I say classic. Should I get it, should I not, blah blah blah. Then I was like, then I decided to get it. Then I was like, okay, should I get 30 or 25? Say 30 or 25, I think you guys already know. Then I was like, then I just asked my CA, we asked her to keep it ready. I want to have a look at it. And when I saw it, I just fall in love with it. It just perfect. And when everyone said get this item, means they are right. You just go and get it. And here the code. Let me show you again if you're interested. N41368 Speedy 25, guys, in Damier Ibn. I don't know how to pronounce that. And I got it, guys, finally. Over an year I was going through, should I get it, should not, should I get it, should not, which size should I get, 30, 25, 30. But I'm so happy that I got the size 25. It's just so, like, so perfect, amazing. Like the first day I reached to Bangkok, I went and got all these items, and the second day I was rocking this one the whole trip. It's just so beautiful, and I'm so happy I went for this Damier Ebene, because I'm very careless and I can make the other type of leather. What is that? This leather, what is this? What's this? Vachetta. Easily, I can easily get it dirty, like easily, like from day one itself. So I'm very clumsy, so so I'm really happy I went for this. And this size is just amazing. When I got it, guys, it was folded like, and I'm like, I'm gonna sew it like that. Like you can see the wrinkles still, like here. And I bought this one earlier, my husband got me, and it just, when I got this one, I was like, okay, I need to get Speedy, because this one will fit on Speedy like so beautifully. So I'm really happy. And this is Speedy 25 in Damier Ebene. I hang this chain there, and you can see, I hope you can see that. Let me show you guys. the LV here, and here Louis Vuitton, and one of the sides have 25. Yes, it's just written 25 here, down there. And I just love the red interior. The red interior is just so pretty, just so beautiful, guys. And it has a zipper. I think you've seen so many reviews and things about this. It has a zipper compartment here. I'm so happy. Did I just put it's already dirty? Goodness, I told you guys I cannot keep anything clean. It has some pen, but I didn't put any pen inside. Okay. Just so beautiful. And here the look and the chain still in its box. I didn't remove it. You guys have seen this like a million times. It's over YouTube. It's all over YouTube. So yes. So the second item is my Speedy 25 Damier Ebene. 25 is a great size, guys. Okay, the third bag and the last bag, but not the last item. The last bag got, let me show you. Come here. It's in this box. Can you see this box? It's small, that's mean. It's not very small item. It looked like small, but no. Okay, let me open it. Here we go. There's the item. And this one code, let me show you this. Let me get it out. There is the code M43596. It's called, if you're looking for this item, you'll know what it is. This is, I didn't get it. Let me tell you a little story about this bag. I saw this bag in the, what is that shop? In the store. I saw this one in the store and I just, this bag in reality looks much better than I thought. I was thinking like that. I was saying to my sister because she went with me. And I was like, oh, this bag in reality look much better than in videos and photos and everything. It's just stunning. And she was telling, yeah, this is a gorgeous bag. And I found it there. It's not in monogram. In the store, they have it in blue. And the blue was amazing. And they have it in white and red. But I didn't see the monogram one, I think, there. Then, later, and my husband saw me trying it and everything. And later went back home. Within 2 or 3 days, he got me this. I was in hotel just resting from shopping. I was shopping so much, my legs pain. I was just laying down, having some rest. And then, voila, husband came with this. OMG! And I was like, ah! When I saw the Louis Vuitton bag, I just went, ah! What did you get? What did you? I thought he got something for himself, but he actually got me this beauty. And I never thought I'll get this one. It's quite expensive for a small bag. Okay, let me show you guys. This is called trunk clutch. This is a trunk clutch in reverse monogram here and like normal monogram. And can you see this red thingy? Just let's zoom it in. Just so beautiful. And for opening, you just press this two. Okay, this is not moving, this one just. Okay, hit open. And there's a zipper here. I think you've seen videos about this, I'm not sure. Okay, and there's the stuffing, and let me show you the interior. And this is the strap. Let me show the strap first. Here, leather, and just a little bit of chain there, and it's just so pretty. And here, LV. And just so beautiful. And they put this one stuffing, and just see it, guys. Can you just see that? Dog is so pretty. That side, and there's a divider here, and it's a monogram divider. And this side is just small, like card packet. And let me see the card. It's empty card. Interesting. and here plain, and this side it just have like that diamond shape quilting. Just so pretty. And this one, Louis Vuitton Paris, made in France. Oh, I didn't know that. So beautiful, so beautiful. I was so surprised, really, and I was so amazed. This bag is just so beautiful. The only one thing worry me, because the glazing issue is going on everywhere, so this bag is full of glazing, but I don't know. It just, can you see glazing here and down here, here and here, everything glazed. But if anything, if any problem happen, I just take it to the even there's glaze in here on this. But if there's any issue happen with this bag, I just take it to the store and see what they can do. No problem. It's so beautiful, guys. It's stunning. It's so after this, my husband was eyeing on a shoe. So this next is coming from men, okay, guys? So my husband was eyeing on a shoe, and he really liked it so much. And I was like, okay, get it. And he was like, yes, I'm gonna get it. I need a shoe. And he doesn't mind luxury shoes. But he doesn't want it to be flashy. But this one is flashy. But it's so beautiful to just resist it. It was so pretty. And the shoes are here. Okay, out from the box, everything. We put the boxes away. And guys, if any guy thinking of these shoes, please go and get it. If you can find it even. It's hard to find. Papa. My husband wanted it, and he, first when he called and everything, they say they don't have his size. And later, our CA, she's a great lady. She's so adorable. She just got it for us in his size. And here, let me check out the other pair and show you side by side. Both these shoes are so beautiful and so stunning, guys. It's so beautiful and so stunning. Just let me get the box, so I can put it on top of it and you guys can see nicely. Can you guys see the shoes? So beautiful. And this shoe is called Honolulu or something. It's Hawaiian name. Honolulu or something like that. I don't remember the name. Sorry, guys, if I'm saying that wrong. It's just so beautiful. Let me show you the side, the front, and the LV here. Just so pretty, so beautiful, guys. If you ever thinking of getting the shoe, just go and get it. It's so beautiful. And my husband is so in love with it, so I got him Gucci. It's a shoe as well, and he chose this one himself, and it was a gift from me to him because he always spoil me, so I want to spoil him a little bit. He got these beautiful Gucci. Let me show you guys, like this, so you can see. Yeah, can you see that at the bottom? Gucci slide on, I think they call them slide on. So beautiful. So yes, guys, thank you for watching, and if you like to see more videos, such videos, and if you want to see my Louis Vuitton collection, I have more bags than this, and my Louis Vuitton collection, and my husband Louis Vuitton collection, and my shoe or anything, or my Cartier collection or anything, guys, please let me know. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe and give this video a thumb up. Tata, bye.